I'm frequently asked how to create a workflow that handles dropped products in the basket. In today's short, I will show you one way to do it in TRACARDI. We will need 3 events. One event is product added to the basket. Another one is product purchase. This will be fired when somebody purchases the product. And the third one is check the basket. This one will be raised by TRACARDI. All 3 events are in one canvas, so those will be triggered one by one. Now we add an increment counter plugin that will increment the number of products in the basket and connect it with the profile. We save it in the stats counters products in the basket. Now we are going to update the profile. We will need also to copy the data when the product is purchased. But this time we will zero the products in the basket. That means that every time there is a purchase, we will zero the counter product in the basket. We set it to 0 and click this icon. We also need to update the profile. We also need a delayed event. This event will be triggered after 6,000 seconds when this workflow ends. So after the purchase, 600 seconds we will wait and then trigger another event. Check basket. Now we need to check anything is in the basket. We will do it by checking the profile and its property stats counter products in the basket. If there are products, this will be bigger than 0. If there are non-products, then there is 0. Now we can use SMTP to send an email. We connect it to the true port. That means that there are more than 0 products in the basket, and we define a message. We also set the subject of the email. This is how to create a workflow that will check if there are any products in the basket. If there's a purchase, it will just zero it and create a delayed event, and that delayed event will check if we have some products in the basket and then send an email.